Come on and get ready with me in under 5 minutes. Busy people don't have time to be laying, slaying, installing all of that nonsense, especially when you gotta go to work. So what you're gonna need is your She's Balm Edge Control is what I have here, and it sleeks both your natural hair and even if you have relaxed hair. So this is what it is. She's Balm. This is the consistency. It fast dries, y'all. I really like it because not much edge control holds my edges down, but this one definitely does. So you go ahead, you put your She's Balm on your edges and you just sleek it the way you like it, and that's it. So that is step one, and that is in a few seconds. Now the wig is just thrown over here like any normal day, and I'm gonna pull it on. I'm not even wearing a stocking cap because I don't even like to wear a stocking cap, and I'm going to just tuck this in and take a look at that. Ooh, baby, look at that. Look at that. Comb, and I'm just gonna sleek it a little bit more with my flat iron. And this is a 12-inch wig. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleach. So I'm just gonna use my curling iron, my flat iron I should say, and I'm gonna make it look like I'm coming out of the salon. And we're doing this in under 5 minutes, guys. Like, we're literally getting ready, getting a full-blown hairdo straightened, installed. Take a look at the back as well and all of that good stuff. So we like to turn the flat iron on before, so that you don't have to wait for too long. And there, let's do this side. The way I see it, we'll be able to do this in literally about 2 to 3 minutes. There it is.